That was basically first try. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a Skate 3 challenge today, and I'm gonna try to do a double backflip. I'm pretty sure there's people out there that have even done triple backflips, but I suck at Skate 3, and I'm a Skate 3 noob, so let's see what we can do. First, I'm gonna start with going to the trick guide, because I'm pretty sure it's in here under other tricks. It says backflip, so left trigger, right trigger, left stick down. I saw Zexy Zek do, I think it was a front flip from flat, like literally on flat. And I was like, that got me thinking, if he can do a front flip on flat, it is possible to do a double back or front flip. I don't even care which one, I just want to do it. So let's get into the game. I'm at Super Ultra Mega Park, which I feel like is the right place to do a double backflip, and let's go. Like, I was left sticking. I don't know why I wasn't doing that. Okay, just gonna hit my favorite hub on the way in just for fun. Okay, blunt slide heel flip, so good. Okay, just feel like I need to go down this to get a good amount of speed. Sorry. Yes. Good, give me a good amount of speed. Hit this quarter pipe. I do not know why he's not backflipping. Left trigger, right trigger, back. Ouch. Okay, back to the top. At least there's one thing we got that's good, is this hubba. Wow. Okay, hubba time. Wow, late heel flip back tail. Yeah, I got you. Let's just get some speed here. Yes. And now, let's hit this. And backflip. Okay. We did one. I did one. Okay, so I got that. Now I just need to take that one. I need to make it into two. Okay, give me just a solid back tail. Ouch. Can you imagine your shins jumping off of that and landing your shins on a metal bench? Okay, yes, I love it. Slow as we can. Oh! And backflip. Not a backflip, but I like it. I like where we're headed with that. Why? How can Zexy Zek do a freaking front flip on flat and I can't even do it off the biggest jump in the game? Just push in nice and slow. Let's go. And we're away. And now let's go. Okay, there's clearly something I'm doing wrong. Trick guide. Take me back to the trick guide. Front flip. Right trigger. Does it mean right trigger plus left trigger, like you have to push both, or is it either one? Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm reading this wrong, and it's one. It doesn't have to be both. Okay, a little Mongo push into the world's steepest drop in. And that happened. Do I need to like, why? Okay. Maybe I don't know how to read the trick guide, which is what I made at brailleskateboarding.com for real skateboarding tricks. If any of you want to learn how to do real skateboarding tricks, we got you at brailleskateboarding.com. Probably this is the way. Okay, I did it. Okay, let's roll into this, nice and easy. Let's do a freaking backflip, Aaron. Definitely some of the most air I've ever gotten. Oh, the tweak was so good. Guys, I know this is not the point of the video, but I need to see what that looked like. But with the tweak, the 180 out, so sick. And then the wall hit at the end, just topped it off. Okay, let's get out of there. Okay, I like that. I like the blunt slide. Ollie in, very nice, and backflip. Okay, I did it. I did a backflip. Backflip again, please. Why aren't you backflipping? I'm hitting all the same buttons. Every time I hit that thing, every freaking time. I'm really confused though, because sometimes it backflips when I push the buttons that it says it's meant to do when you're supposed to meant to backflip. And then other times it just doesn't. Also, my new favorite thing is like riding into this thing and just like that. I was like, please land that into the rocks. It'll be the greatest day of my life if I land that into the rocks. And I didn't. Okay, double backflip, you got it. Wow, I did a 900. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to change this challenge to, can you do a backflip 900? I don't know why he's not backflipping now. Okay, I got it. I know what the challenge is gonna be. Clearly, I can barely do one backflip, which I'm really confused about because I was doing backflips before, I swear to you. Now, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a quad flip 900. That's gonna be the challenge. Okay, get in there, and then... Ouch, I went really far though. You gotta give me that. Quad kickflip 900, let's go. That was basically first try. Okay, why aren't you backflipping now? Okay, I don't understand Skate 3. I don't understand. Why doesn't it work? Okay, that was so sick what I just did just there. Yes. And yes. What? That was the best thing ever. That was the greatest. I just basically hit every button that exists. It was like a 540 step off to run on a hill to then boneless in. That was stupid. I love it. You know what I should do actually is I should learn all the grinds. I thought I was gonna get a 1080 there and I didn't. I like that blunt slide, I like it. I also like that it does like the wheel noise. Give me a frickin', why do you do that? I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know, trick guide. Let's go back to the trick guide again. Nollie kickflip dart catch. What the heck? Okay, I'm not trying to do that anyways. LT, RT. I mean, LS, don't get me wrong, is the left stick. Am I right? Gotta be right. Oh, while we're in this though, let's coffin. RT plus LT, X and A. I like that. I'm gonna try and coffin down that thing. Come on, blunt slide. Okay, we got this. No way, no way. Oh, no way. Why is he going so slow? It should be going so fast. What? What? Wow. I did a coffin 180. Oh, in real life that would be so good. I found my new favorite thing in Skate 3, the coffin. Come on, if you did that in real life, you would be going so fast. Let's coffin 360. Oh, backwards. Come on. Oof, that would hurt the dome really bad. Okay, I need to figure out a way to get enough speed to coffin 360. Well, I got the coffin 180 down. Oh, another coffin 180. I guess you can't spin there. Oh! That would literally be the worst slam ever. Ouch. Don't do this at home, kids. Do not do this at home. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Whoa, no way, can I land that? Let's go, coffin transfer. Oh, that might be it right there. That might be the place where I can 360 in. Oh. What? No way, I did it! I did it! That was amazing. Okay, we gotta see that replay. Let's go back. Not only did I do the sickest like coffin transfer in, look at this. Wait for it. Boom. Biggest backwards coffin slide, then boom. Wait for it. Coffin 360. I did it. Can't believe that happened. Backwards and then Booyah. Coffin 360. Okay, I love that. I love that. I made it. All right, guys. Well, I started out this video by saying I'm gonna do a double backflip, and then I quickly realized I'm not gonna do a double backflip. But leave it in the comments below if you want to see me actually do a double backflip. I'm super stoked on the Coffin 360. I'm having an absolute blast playing this game. I hope you guys are having fun watching these videos, and I'm making these to inspire more people to get on a skateboard. I will teach you all of the basics. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too dangerous. It's not gonna be too hard. You gotta just learn the tricks from the easiest trick forward. Just like how you learn how to play Skate 3, only instead of on a video game, it's in real life. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's get it. We'll see you out there shredding.